So customer stated the vehicle does not start up. Had a bad battery, got a battery, put it in, vehicle starts up and runs. Lot of clattering sound from that engine when that thing is running. And a couple things I noticed. That will be the first. And it is April of 2024 currently. I want to show you some other stuff. Here is our dipstick. See all that sludge on there? Yeah. And this is inside the engine. Ooey gooey. Yeah, it looks like she's gonna need herself a new motor. That's what happens when you don't change your oil like you're supposed to, or any at all. Look at all that nasty on there. All that sludge inside there. I can only imagine what it's like at the bottom. But anyways, that's a good reminder to change your oil.